tayo. And we're here. Okay. What's up, YouTube? It's a new day. I decided to go walking the sea area and near Coastal. Goods na goods yung outfit natin ngayon for today's video. You know. So, lapit na tayo, guys. Nakikita nyo yung mga lights dito, guys. So much maganda dito. So, ayun yun. Ayun. Yan yung entrance, guys. Papunta sa may playground dito sa Coastal Road. Balik natin. Yun.